You won't believe this amazing machine. Get 59% off right now with link in our video descriptions. Laser Tree 20W 40W 80W Laser Module 450nm Laser Head Blue Laser for CNC Laser Engraving Cutting Machine Woodworking DIY Tools. The blue laser module is specially designed for CNC milling machine and DIY engraving. The wavelength is 450 nanometers, which is an effective tool for laser engraving and cutting. They can engrave and cut various materials. Blue laser module, a professional laser head with high speed and high stability. Bright blue light, easy to locate when carving. Fixed focus laser head series. Suitable for 3-axis engraving machine, easy to install. Adjustable focus series, adjustable laser head, easy to adjust. Specification: effect output power 20W 40W 80W. Material: aluminum alloy plus plastic. Wavelength 450 nm. Light color blue. Input voltage 12 volts 24 V. Interface XH2 54 3P socket. Modulation 0512 V05KZ TTL PWM. Product weight 1 to 5 G480G. The blue laser module is specially designed for CNC milling machine and DIY engraving. The wavelength is 450 nanometers, which is an effective tool for laser engraving and cutting. They can engrave and cut various materials. Features: blue laser module, professional laser head with high speed and high stability. Bright blue violet light, easy for locating when engraving. Adjustable focus, adjustable laser head, easy to adjust. Ensure engraving with good quality and high efficiency. Specification: effect output power 20W. Output optical power 4W. Material: aluminum alloy plus plastic. Wavelength 450 nm. Light color blue. Spot form punctiform. Adjustable focus. Input voltage 12 volts 1, 601, 401, 8A. Interface parameters: support TTL signal control power. Product weight about 10. Buy right now only for 36 Us. Laser Tree 20W 40W 80W Laser Module 450 nanometers Laser Head Blue Laser for CNC Laser Engraving Cutting Machine Woodworking DIY Tools. Get this 59% off for this cutting machine.